awareness program Pangthokkhre Thobal Forest Division Senduna role of community participation on conservation and protection of forest resource and wildlife haiba hiramasida ngasi Nongmagi Oiba awareness program ama Kakching district ki manung chanalaiba Hianglam Mayalekai da laiba community hall da Pangthokkhre Thoramadu da Thoramgi mitung singoina divisional forest officer Dr. Laishangtem Jesli IFS range forest officer Headquarter Thobal Forest Division Huidrom Sundar Range Forest Officer Kakching Range Laishram Dinesh Secretary Alliance for Development Alternative Manipur Khatrimayum Surjit Retired Headmaster Elangbam Iboyama Amadi Retired Professor Kha Manipur College Ki Wahengbam Manishwarna Sarukyaki Thoramadu da mitunglen oikiba sengna makoi oiba waral piraduna housing lamdam asida sokchilakliba environment ki fibamasi aikoi isa khangjaduna angamangama thodang launaduna kananaba honaminagadabni Malemasida laiminariba thawai panba amadi pot khudingmak amaga mari leinai haibasi aikoi pumana bhab taminaduna akaiba pinadaba mathautai punna hingminaba mathau-tare hainasu phongduknakhi Thoramadu ki sarugama oina sarugyakiba miyoising amadi mahiroi singdasu upambi chora sing yeng thokhibaga loinana pambi sing adu hinghan minasi hainasu apil tawki